Plenty of investors lined up here to take a look at this. Hey, we're going to check out a house that has an open house now. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath in West Palm Beach, 1184 square feet. It's listed for $275. All right, let's take a look. This house looks like original, probably original carpet. It's very dated. This is a bedroom. Bedroom 1. Closet. Bedroom number 2. It's got a pretty serious mold issue here. Could be just from the power being off, but this would be bedroom 3, the primary bedroom. Again, a pretty bad mold infestation. Probably put a shower right there. Needs to be gutted. Closet. This is the second bathroom. Looks like it's probably cast iron. See it? That's cast iron. Closet. Kitchen. Decent sized kitchen.
Okay.
Little utility room. There's a nice space. There's the panel. The panel looks updated, which is great news. I don't see any signs of a roof leak. Needs a new water heater. Needs a new AC. Oh, they made this into a bedroom. So this probably used to be a carport or a garage. Don't know if it's a legal conversion. So again, 3-2 in West Palm Beach, 1184 square feet. Nice sized backyard. It has central AC, but it needs to be replaced, I'm sure. Be interesting to see if this enclosure is legal.
Is on the MLS 7.
Okay. How much should we offer?